2016 Chrysler 200. This midsize sedan from Chrysler is loaded with modern comforts. Thicker seats, LED lighting, and noise dampeners are just a few. This 200 model for Chrysler takes an aggressive step into a competitive market. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, compass, security system, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, trip computer, power windows, remote keyless entry, brake assist, tachometer, panic alarm, overhead console, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, driver vanity mirror, passenger vanity mirror. Your new ride is just a phone call away.